Hey everybody, Ghost Mule here, and it's a cold and rainy day here in Montana. So as I was making good use of the day by cleaning my apartment, I started to notice some trends that clearly indicated I had way too much of an obsession with backpacking, which some of you may or may not understand. So I decided, let's turn it into a drinking game, because, well, hiker trash, why not? So this is the top signs that you may have an overabundance of obsession with backpacking. Home edition. Let's get started. If you have a cabinet in your kitchen dedicated entirely to backpacking food, nope.
If you've ever had to air dry an entire load of laundry because it's all synthetic and merino wool.
Nope. If a gear rack is the most prominent feature in one or more of the rooms inside your house. If you've ever used a topographical map as a wall decoration. If you have a stash of plastic bags solely for the purpose of backpacking, you may be obsessed with backpacking.
If your neighbors no longer look at you funny while you hike down the road with a full pack.
If one or more shelves of your bookcase is completely filled with guidebooks and backpacking how-to books, you may have a problem. If the number of puffy coats greatly outnumbers the number of regular coats in your closet, definitely seek help. If you've ever successfully covered every piece of furniture in your house with a piece of gear that needs to be dried out after a backpacking trip, then you definitely have an obsession with backpacking. If you have significantly more backpacking cleaning supplies than home cleaning supplies, you may be addicted to backpacking. If you've ever used a piece of old backpacking gear as a wall decor, cheers. If you have significantly more trail runners and hiking boots than you have regular shoes, then you definitely have a problem. Uh-oh. Well, might be a good time for me to start setting up a Backpackers Anonymous support group. So what are some ways that you found that you may have an unhealthy obsession with the hobby of backpacking? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, keep hiking on.